Welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here. Before we dive into today's topic, I want to take a moment to ask for your support. If you enjoy this content, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a thumbs up. Your support means the world to me and helps me create more valuable content like this. Now, let's jump right into it. We're going to explore the world of AI video creation with Pictory.ai. Creating AI videos has never been easier, thanks to Pictory.ai. This incredible platform harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to help you craft stunning videos effortlessly. But what exactly does that mean? Here's the simple breakdown. Pictory.ai provides you with an easy-to-use interface where you can upload your video content. Once uploaded, Pictory.ai's powerful AI algorithms go to work, analyzing your footage and generating breathtaking visuals that perfectly complement your content. It's like having your own AI assistant editor that helps you create amazing videos in no time. The best part is, even if you don't have any technical background, you can still create professional-looking videos with Pictory.ai. The platform takes care of the complex editing process, allowing you to focus on your creative vision and storytelling. Now, let's talk about monetization. As content creators, we all want to earn from our hard work, and Pictory.ai provides excellent opportunities for that. By using Pictory.ai, you can monetize your AI-generated videos in various ways. One option is to partner with brands and create sponsored content. This opens doors for exciting collaborations and financial rewards. Additionally, Pictory.ai seamlessly integrates with popular advertising platforms, enabling you to earn revenue through targeted advertisements. It's a win-win situation. Using Pictory.ai like an expert brings numerous benefits to the table. Firstly, it saves you valuable time and effort. With its intuitive interface and AI-powered editing capabilities, you can create high-quality videos faster than ever before. It frees up your time to focus on content creation and engaging with your audience. Secondly, Pictory.ai is designed to be user-friendly, so you don't need to be a technical wizard to utilize its potential. It offers a seamless editing experience, allowing you to bring your creative ideas to life effortlessly. No matter your skill level, Pictory.ai empowers you to create visually stunning videos that resonate with your viewers. Now, you might be wondering why you should care about AI video creation and Pictory.ai. The answer is simple. It's all about staying ahead of the competition and delivering captivating content. AI videos provide a unique and engaging visual experience that captures your audience's attention. By leveraging Pictory.ai, you can elevate your content, grow your audience, and stand out in the crowded digital landscape. Pictory.ai plans Standard, Premium, and Teams. 1. Standard, best for creators starting out with video. This plan includes one user per account, allowing you to create up to 30 videos per month. You can work on text-to-video projects of up to 10 minutes in length, and you get 10 hours of video transcription per month. Additionally, you can edit existing video recordings up to 1 hour long. With 3 branded templates, 5,000 music tracks, and 34 text-to-speech AI voices, you have plenty of resources at your fingertips. The standard plan is perfect for getting started and honing your video creation skills. 2. Premium, best for professional creators and small to mid-sized organizations. With the premium plan, you have access to all the features of the standard plan, but with enhanced capabilities. You can create up to 60 videos per month, work on text-to-video projects of up to 20 minutes in length, and get 20 hours of video transcription per month. The premium plan also allows you to edit existing video recordings up to 3 hours long. You'll have 10 branded templates, 10,000 music tracks, and 60 text-to-speech AI voices at your disposal. Additionally, the premium plan offers automatic voiceover synchronization, automatic video highlights, Hootsuite integration, and bulk download of videos to CSV. It's the perfect plan for professional creators and small to mid-sized organizations looking to take their video creation to the next level. 3. Teams, for teams of video creators who share and collaborate. The Teams plan includes all the features of the premium plan, plus additional benefits for collaborative work. You can have up to 3 users per account, create 90 videos per month, and work on text-to-video projects of up to 30 minutes in length. With 20 branded templates, 15,000 music tracks, and sharing and collaboration features, the Teams plan is ideal for teams of video creators who want to streamline their workflow and create amazing content together. Remember, the number of users, videos, and video length can be modified within the app to suit your specific requirements. Exciting news! Pictory.ai offers a free trial with no credit card required. It's the perfect opportunity to explore the features and capabilities of the platform before making a commitment. I highly recommend giving it a try. Are you ready to take your video creation to the next level? Then it's time to give Pictory.ai a try. Visit their website and unlock the potential of AI video creation. Remember, subscribing to my channel and liking this video helps me continue creating valuable content for you. Thank you for being so supportive, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember to subscribe and hit that like button. Your support means the world to me.